So today I picked up this Digitech digital clamp meter which measures AC DC current. It's a thermocouple. It's got some nice leads on it. Measures from 0 to 40 amps in the first range and then 0 to 400. So this is the meter. Comes in a nice pouch. This is there you get it. So you got voltage, AC and DC, and hertz, resistance, capacitance and continuity, temperature, 40 amps DC, 400 amps DC, 40 amps AC, 400 amps DC. And a lot of your readings will just be taken with standard leads. Now, I currently have a big battery pack there, boiling the kettle. So we roll it around to DC amps. I know it's going to be under 40. Yeah, 11.22 amps. About 11.2 volts left in the pack at the moment too. So you get the clamp meter, turn it off. This runs on a couple of AA's. It's got a fairly decent opening. Get a nice set of leads. The insulated spikes. They're always good. A thermocouple adapter. And just a normal flat blade thermocouple. So it just goes in there. Yeah, good unit. Paid 114 for it, and yeah, it's gonna hopefully provide me with a lot of use. It's rated at Cat 3, so 600 volts, no worries. Yeah, that's about all I've got to say about it. It's a nice unit, and been wanting a clamp meter for a long time. I'm glad I've gone and bought one. Thanks for watching.